Can you guess what this video is going to be about? That's right, map testing. You are going to be map testing on Thursday, October 15th. And guess what? It's a Thursday, which means you're not coming to school, which means you are going to be map testing from home. You're going to take two map tests, the reading and the math map test. And in order for you guys to be successful on these tests, I want to make sure that you can actually log in. How many of you have ever tried to log into, try to take the test and you get this? Your device doesn't meet testing requirements. It's happened to quite a few of you. And here is how you can fix that problem. So right here, it says that the minimum screen resolution is not correct. This is what my screen resolution is. This is what it should be. So how can we fix that? Here we go. I'm going to show you. To change your screen resolution, this is a PC. I don't know how to do it in Mac, but there's a similar process. So for a PC, if you right click and go to display settings, I think all computers, regardless of what type of computer it is, has some sort of display setting option. So go to your display settings and come down here to display resolution. I'm sure if you just type in a search for display resolution, this will pop up. So we need to change right now I'm in the recommended, which is why my screen looks so clear and big and all of that. But MAP wants us to have a different resolution, which is 1024 by 768. So I'm going to click on that. Ugh, yeah, it's pretty terrible. But in order to do well on the map, I have to have this. So here we go. Now we are going to try that again. Let's try to take that test, test.mapnwea.org. And there we go. We can finally log in, which is fantastic. So there you go. Then you will be able to put in your session name and the session password, and you'll be able to start your exam. So I'm going to go back to my resolution right here. Oh, so much better. And one way that you can test this is if you go to check.nwea.org. And it's going to run a diagnostic. So remember, I went back to my original settings and it says, whoops, your resolution is wrong. So if you do a diagnostic on your computer, you will know right away what the problems are. So if you run your diagnostic and you have any problems that you don't know how to fix, take a screenshot, take a picture of what this shows you, and let your teachers know. You can come specifically to me. This is Mrs. Fromey. I am in F3112. I'm on the middle floor next to the trophy case. So you can come down and see what all of the problems are. I've passed everything else. My computer is just fine for everything else, but the only thing is the resolution. So then I would go back and I would change it by display settings, and then go to the correct resolution. All right. One other popular problem that happens during map testing is the pop-up blocker. And you'll see up here, there's going to be a red line when you try to take the test. It's just the pop-up blocker. So you're going to enable pop-ups. So in order to do that, you're going to come over here to the right-hand side, and you're going to go to Settings. Then you have to come over to Privacy and Security. All the way down. Well, maybe not all the way down. To here. So, sorry. Go to Privacy and Security and Site Settings, because it's going to talk about pop-ups here. So, Site Settings. Pop-ups and redirects. So, you're going to come over here. So you want to allow pop-ups from the map testing site. So you're going to come over to, so under allow, you're going to click add. Now look, there's block and add. Don't add a blocked site. Don't do that. You go to allow and then add, and you're going to type in test.mapnwea.org, and you're going to add that to allow pop-ups. So then you should be able to, no problem, take the map test. Okay. Again, my resolution is still wrong. I changed it back so that it's wrong. So if you have any questions, you have any concerns, you're not sure if your computer is going to work, please come talk to me. Before you come talk to me though, I need you to run that diagnostic so that we know exactly what is wrong. All right, have any questions? Please come see me. Thanks.